How does St. Mike's live out the Lasallian Catholic mission?
St. Mike's lives out the Catholic Lasallian mission through trying to execute the 5 core principles through faith, service, and community. And one of those, between faith, service, and community, one that's important to me is service. I teach service learning at our school, and one thing that we implemented here at the school is requiring all students to take service learning before they graduate. And it's important to me because it gives students and myself a chance to put our faith into action in the community and give back.
How does the spiritual aspect of school help you?
By remembering that we are always in the holy presence of God.
It helps me find and strengthen my relationship with God.
By teaching me to care for others.
By praying before and after school every day and having Mass once a month.
Not only does it help you understand the Catholic faith, but
it also initiates you into the ministry of De La Salle.
What opportunities does St. Mike's give you?
It gets you prepared for college.
St. Mike's offers a lot of hard AP classes to really get us all ready for that next step going into college. And all the teachers here really help to push us to our limits by giving us challenging work to help us achieve our very best.
What do you love or appreciate about St. Mike's?
I love the family relationship we all have with each other and the school pride we all share.
I love the pride that St. Mike's has in our sports programs and going out to home and away games to show their support, and the opportunity St. Mike's has given me to make new friends have really helped me throughout high school so far.
I appreciate the community and the school spirit.
Describe St. Mike's in one word.
Fantastic.
Exciting. Family.
Athletic. Pride.
Community.
Faithful. Welcoming.
Inclusive.
Together.
Engaging.
We are St. Michael's Horsemen.